yeah, it's the one with the ears on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 bolt.
Today I'm on my way to the shop to put the 1-inch lift cups in because it's kind of low right now, even with the new springs that I just put in. And once I put the music in the back in the trunk, it's gonna go down more. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit more. Hopefully the 1-inch is gonna be enough. I'm gonna install an ignition control module too, and I'm gonna change the rear differential gear oil. But yeah, I'll show you a picture of that when I get to the shop. I just finished putting the lift cups on. It's definitely higher. The car looks more even now without the music. I know when I put the music in, it's gonna go down, but it's good like it is now. I'm not going any higher than it is right now. I'm on my way home from the shop. I'll take a picture of it when I get out of the car. I changed the differential gear oil fluid too. It was really black. It's a good thing I did change that. But yeah, it was an easy job. It took less than an hour to do. And now I got new oil. I don't have to worry about that in my rear end. But yeah, I'll take a picture when I get to the house.
I've been trying to get this thing since I bought my cutlass. It's the driver's side fender molding. Oh my god, this thing was so hard to find. Hopefully it's the right one. I sent the dude the pictures with the measurements and everything. Let's see if it's the right one. Let me open it up real quick. Alright. Got some more cutting to do. Yeah, I've been searching for this thing forever. I bought brand new clips for both sides because the other side, one of the clips is broken and it's hanging off, so I got 4 new clips for it. But hopefully this can shine up some. Look like a little dent there, but I paid $62 for this thing. I found a junkyard in Minnesota that had the fender, and I called them and I told them I wanted to buy the whole fender. I paid $50 for the whole fender, and he charged me $12 for shipping. So he made me buy the whole fender to take this piece off. I would have had him send me the fender, but shipping would have been a lot more money than $12. And I only really need this anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna go outside and see if this thing is the right one. Hopefully it is. It's been what, 6, 7 months I've been searching for this piece. Finally got it. I'm gonna go outside and see if it fits. I'm outside, gonna see if this thing fits. That's it. Long time for this piece. This is a really hard piece to get. If I come across the other side, I'm gonna grab that too. It's really windy out here. Go back in the house for a little bit. Try to shine this piece up. It's finally the day to drop the car off for paint. It's April 25th. Finally getting this car done. Hopefully it will be done 2-3 weeks. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you guys who's painting it until I get it back, and I don't want to advertise this guy and he does a shitty job. So I'll let you guys know who it is that painted the car after I get it back. But if I don't let you guys know who did it, that means he did a shitty job. But yeah, it's 10:20 in the morning, April 25th, on my way to drop this car off for paint. I'm getting it painted the same color. The factory color is dark autumn maple. I asked him how much more will it be to do candy. He told me $3,000 more than I'm paying now. But the reason why it's so much, because he would have to do under the trunk, under the hood, and the door jambs and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna paint it the same color. I'm not paying almost $10,000 for a paint job. I'm not doing it. I would like to, but candy brandy wine was the color I really wanted, but just can't do it right now. I still got rims to buy. I can't do it right now. Maybe later on, but I'm not doing it right now. It's too much money. But yeah, I'm almost at the spot. I don't know if I'm going to be making any more videos until I get the car back, or maybe I'll pop in on the guy. Who knows? I don't know. I don't really like bothering people and asking them to go record. But we'll see. Finally made it to the paint shop. Quick video of how it looked before I drop it off. I took the chrome piece off. I got the clips for that.